How to order via website. Type www.yeelicopier.com. Select products and add to cart. Click on the shopping cart. Based on your purchase amount, choose a promo code. Enter it in the coupon code section to apply the discount. Proceed to checkout. Fill in your account and billing details. Select a delivery method. If the promo code was not applied on the previous page, please make sure to apply the promo code on this page. Tick the Terms and Conditions box and press Continue. Confirm that the order and discount are correct, then press Confirm Order. Choose your payment method and proceed to Pay Now. A successful payment means your order has been placed.